Hi, today I would like to talk about a specific group of students who, despite having a lot of information, a lot of knowledge about things, but they don't get the marks that they deserve to be given for the knowledge they have got. Especially the main examination, where your writing skills is being tested. One always ignore this aspect while preparing. Today, I am going to talk about your skill of expression. This skill of expression, like any other skill, develops over time. You have to work towards it. But what happens, since the syllabus is very big, the knowledge requirement is very diverse, we often get sucked into collecting more information, more facts, and we almost go blind as far as skilling aspect is concerned. I would like to tell you in a lot of ways through which you can possibly improve your writing skill. There will be quite a few ways to look at it. I'm going to talk about one aspect only today. This one aspect which I would like to tell you is try expressing yourself through what we call it as journal writing. In fact, you have got facts which you can always write, but then the facts are not asked like as in direct, tell me the capital of this and tell me this of that. No, it's not like that. They're asking you through multiple dimensions. And then we have got 6 exclusive dimensions through which the questions are being framed, with all those various words through which they would command you. I'll some other time talk about those command words and express as to how and what to react. But if you are a beginner, you are starting to express yourself and you have not written enough, I would like you to practice this journal writing where you would give your own expression, your own views. And for that, the first place which I recommend for you to start is from 5 W's and 1 H. Take up an issue and start writing about words of that, lots of words of it. Any issue that you may pick up, let's say you have got an issue going on these days is about the cyclone hazard. What is it? Then also look into lots of hows of it, whys of it, whens of it, wheres of it. If you have got all these different dimensions and you have expressed yourself, you would never suffer from a problem which we call it as writer's block, where you have the facts inside but it's not being penned because you have never experimented, you have not tried, you have not asserted to the extent that you came out with those dimensions. I like you to, from today onward, make it a point that you start expressing yourself with any fact that you come across and then give your views on that from the what's perspective, how's perspective, where's perspectives, when's perspective, and all these 5 W's and 1 H, they will let your flow develop. And once the flow develops, well, of course, at later stage, I'll be talking about some power writing. When I'll take you to answer writing, that's a different level that you have to go. First, you have to start with writing. Then we would learn as to answer. But then for that, I'll make you understand how to decrypt a question, how to understand the demand of the question, and then how to answer. So answer writing is a very technical thing. Let us start today from journal writing, where I'm expressing myself on a particular theme from those 6 different dimensions, that is 5 W's and 1 H. It is going to be a long journey. It will require a lot of practice and a lot of patience and perseverance on your part. I'm sure as you continue with this, you will definitely get better. But there's no substitute. Make a discipline and start writing from today onward, and after some time, you would be proud of your own writer. But never think that you'll write a very good quality in the beginning. I suppose I always say your first good answer is sitting on a heap of 300 bad answers. So let's not talk about answer writing. Start with writing today. My best wishes with you.